Hand. Hold Daddy's hand. You feel better? Huh? Not so mad?
He's mad at me.
Mr. Hulk?
He's mad at me.
Yep.
You mad at Daddy? Don't be mad at Daddy. Daddy loves you.
He's trying to clean your mouth. He's just trying to clean your mouth. Feel better? You feel better?
You want the binky?
You want your binky?
The binky? The binky? Want the binky? Yeah, you want it? Okay, here, put it in there.
He wants it.
There you go.
Feel better?
Don't be mad at Daddy.